Division. Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Now I'm gonna teach you how to do division. First, the question is 55 division 11 equal what? And 81 division 9 equal what? Now I'm gonna show you how to do it. I have 55 apples and Neil steals 11 apples per day. How many days will take Neil steal all the apples? It's a long division. Maybe you can find 7 in 55. Now I'm going to show you the other question. This time, Miss Olivia, this time I have 81 apples and Miss Olivia steals 9 apples per day. How many days will take Miss Olivia to steal all the apples? Use a long division. Made again. You can find 9 in 81. Now I'm gonna show you the answer. The answer is 55 divided by 11 is 5. 81 divided by 9 is 9. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.